Hi there, this is Joe from RPA Pro, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about data manipulation in UiPath Studio, specifically with DateTime. Let's jump to UiPath Studio, and from here I will create a new sequence inside my data manipulation project, and I will call DateTime. Now I will need a variable, my DateTime, and this needs to be a DateTime. In my case, I have here system.datetime. If you don't have it in this first list, you can browse and search for your system datetime. All right, we are good to get started, and what I will do to initiate my datetime is assign a value, and it's going to be now. Now is the current datetime, as simple as its name, and then write. In order to write my datetime as an output, I need to transform this to a string. So then that comes to our first topic, toString. This toString method is actually available for virtually all data types. Any data type that is not a string, you can transform it to a string with this method. And then when I save it and run, I can visualize my output as a text. Date, current date and time. Moving forward, add days. This is very common. I will again need an assign activity to my date, time, and now I will open the expression editor, my datetime dot add days 1. Okay, let me actually, I will have two write lines in order to see the before and after, and I will run it. Now I should have two outputs, one as of today, one as of tomorrow, same time. Okay, I will comment this. Next one, add hours. And I will again copy and paste here. Open the editor. Instead of now, I will put my datetime dot add hours. How many hours? As a double, I want 2. When I save it, run, I have 2 hours of difference between first and last. I will disable this activity and create a new one. To our next topic, add years. So my datetime is now going to receive itself, but with add years, and I will add 5 years now. Save it, run, and my output has now a date 5 years from now. I will again disable include a new one and move to the next one. Date. Date is actually not a function, it's a property, and we can use to extract the date of the variable. And then for that, I will just print a line. I don't need to assign this anymore. But when I print, instead of to a string, I will use date and then to string. And that will print the date without the time. So there we go, just the date, and the time is 0. Moving forward, the day, I will just copy and paste. And change, instead of date, day. So today is 19th. It is printing only the day as an integer. Next one is day of the week. Instead of day, we can print day of the week as a string. And let's check the output. And today I am recording this is a Monday, September 19th, 2022. Moving forward, I just want to show you one more item, which is formatting the string. In different scenarios, you are going to need a different format for the date. And UiPath allows you to do that by using string format. And to do so, I will open my, let me duplicate this, comment this one, and then from here, open the editor, and I will use my date to string, and then I can define between quotes what is the format that I want. In my case, I will define as day, month, and year, like this. When I save and run, my output will show day, month, and year without any other character. And if you want different expressions, different formats for your dates, you have to check the documentation, the official documentation, to see what exact format you should put in your string here. So that's about it. As I said, there's much more you can explore within DateTime functions and properties, but this is the list that I use the most. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching and see you soon.